What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new Vinted account in just a few simple steps. I'll be walking through this on the mobile app for iOS or Android. First, you'll need to download the Vinted app. Open the App Store if you're on iOS, or the Google Play Store on Android. In the search bar, type Vinted. You're looking for the app called Vinted, Sell Clothes and Buy Pre-Loved Fashion, by Vinted Limited. Make sure it's the verified publisher. There are clone apps out there. Tap the download button and wait for it to install. The app's around 145 megabytes on iOS and 120 megabytes on Android, so it'll take a minute or two depending on your connection. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll land on the initial screen. Tap the Sign Up button. This takes you to the Sign Up screen where you'll see a few different registration options. For this walkthrough, we're going with Email Sign Up. Tap the option to sign up with your email address. Now you'll see a registration form. Fill in your username first. Pick something unique. If you see login name is already taken, you'll need to choose a different one. Next, enter your email address. It should be an email you check regularly. You'll need it for verification. Now create a password. Your password needs to be at least 7 characters long and must include at least one numeral. It also can't match your username, so choose carefully. Once you've filled in all 3 fields, scroll down a bit. You'll see a checkbox for the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Tick that box. You can't proceed without accepting it. Double check that you don't already have a Vinted account under the same email address before you continue. Now tap the button to create your account. Within a few seconds, Vinted will send a confirmation email to the address you just entered. Open your email inbox and look for the message from Vinted. If you don't see it straight away, check your spam or junk folder. It sometimes lands there. Open the email and click the confirmation link inside. Some emails will have a verify button you can tap. Once you click that, your account is activated and you're ready to start using Vinted. Quick heads up on a couple of things. If you're wondering why the password requirements are so specific, it's worth testing with something like password 1 rather than just password to see the validation in action. Also, you might see mentions of phone verification elsewhere, but that doesn't happen during sign-up. Vinted only asks you to verify your phone number later on when you start listing items for sale. That's the full process. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.